Welcome to this short video for my students on the theory of traditional Chinese medicine, and this video is a review of our Tuina course. Literally, the term Tuina can be divided into two sections. Tui means to push or move along, and Na means to hold or grasp. Let's look at this concise and accurate definition of Tuina. Tuina is the study and practice of a series of Chinese manual clinical techniques which are used to prevent and treat disease based on the principles of traditional Chinese medicine. The inclusion of study confirms for us that Tuina, like all healthcare therapies, involves ongoing, continuous professional development study in order to perfect this therapy. Manual clinical techniques inform us that medical issues are treated with Tuina in addition to therapeutic massage. Tuina has an abundance of techniques that are used to stimulate not only the acupoints but also the surface anatomy as well. To prevent and treat disease reminds us that Chinese medicine works best when the patient acknowledges that prevention is better than the cure. Tuina prevents and treats disease by using a variety of different kinds of manipulation to activate the channels, to balance yin and yang, to regulate the circulation of qi and blood, and to normalize the function of the zangfu. Based on the principles of traditional Chinese medicine reminds us that this extraordinary hands-on therapy is practiced according to the extensive theory of traditional Chinese medicine, incorporating knowledge of yin and yang, as well as knowledge of the vital substances, the zangfu organs, diagnostic methods, and the qi point functions and stimulation. In Tuina, the same qi points as in acupuncture are used, but are stimulated with the finger, thumb, knuckle, elbow pressure instead of with the insertion of needles. The pressure of the manipulation either acts on the body directly or on the channels to regulate diseased organs and tissue. This image is an example of the acupoint posters that I have available. There's a link to purchase these below. Tuina therapy may be used in the treatment of internal and external conditions, traumatic injury, and musculoskeletal, gynecological, obstetrics, and pediatric diseases, as well as disorders of the eye, ear, nose, and throat. In addition, it can strengthen the body's resistance to disease and prevent invasion of pathogens in healthy people, and especially in the middle-aged, elderly, and weak. Most of the stimulations introduced are easy to learn and suitable not only for experienced medical practitioners, but also for the layperson, as long as he or she becomes familiar with the principles of traditional Chinese medicine. This is particularly true of pediatrics. Tuina can be performed not only by the physician, but also by the parents of the child. Tuina is safe and free from harmful side effects because it's an external therapy. The manipulations are performed on the surface of the body. This allows the patient to avoid medicines or invasive surgical procedures, which may cause other kinds of physical damage. Tuina has almost no side effects if the diagnosis and manipulations are correct. It is very effective for the relief of pain. Tuina is inexpensive and convenient. It requires almost no equipment or special medical facilities. It may be performed anywhere the patient needs medical care, even at home. Costly and difficult hospital visits and care can therefore be avoided. We leave this session and I hope you enjoyed it and found it useful. Oh, and don't forget to have a look at my posters and my book, which are the main financial support for these videos. They're not expensive. The posters at 12 inches by 18 inches are perfect size for most clinics today, and the links are down below. The benefits of Tuina are many. In fact, it is used as a general therapy in Chinese hospitals where it is known as needle-less acupuncture. These are some of the benefits of Tuina. It's a great immunity booster, It's great for addiction, for IBS. It's a tremendously powerful therapy for insomnia, chronic fatigue benefits, fibromyalgia, neck pain, PMT, hypertension, worry, mental fatigue, stress. It also improves sex drive, to name a few. I want to thank you for viewing this video, wishing you well in your study and practice, and Sláinte.